In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a calendar in Outlook. We all know how essential it is to keep everyone on the same page, whether it's for work, school, or personal planning. Sharing your calendar allows others to see your events, making it easier to coordinate schedules and improve collaboration. Now, let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First things first, head over to Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL for Outlook, or simply using the Outlook app if you already have it installed on your device. Once you're on the Outlook page, you'll need to sign in. You can find the sign in link at the top right corner of the page. Clicking there will prompt you to enter your email address and password, the same credentials you use for your Outlook or Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, you'll see your dashboard. From here, look toward the top right again and click on the settings icon. This icon typically looks like a small gear. Clicking on settings will open a drop down menu and you should select view all Outlook settings at the bottom of this drop down. Now, you'll be in the settings menu. Here, look for the left navigation panel and select calendar. This will bring up several options related to your calendar preferences. Within this section, locate and click on shared calendars. This is the feature that lets you control which calendars your friends, family, or colleagues can see. Next up, you'll need to choose which calendar you want to share. Click on select a calendar and choose the one you wish to publish from the list that appears. You might have multiple calendars, so make sure you pick the correct one, whether it's your personal planner or a group calendar. Once you've selected your calendar, it's time to decide what others can see. Click on Select Permissions, where you'll have a few options regarding the level of detail people can access. To ensure the best collaboration, choose Can View All Details. This allows others the fullest view of your calendar, which can help prevent miscommunications about availability. The final step is to go ahead and click on Publish. When you do this, Outlook will create a unique link to your calendar. You can distribute this link to anyone you wish to share the calendar with, and they'll be able to view it using the permissions you've set. That's all it takes to publish a calendar in Outlook. By following these simple steps, you can help keep everyone organized and informed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.